I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling exactly what WES expects: official diplomas and sealed transcripts, plus certified translations where needed. Once done, create your WES account and record the reference number. This links every document to your file. Make sure each issuing institution knows WES's delivery method and uses the official channel. Don't accept unofficial copies. At this stage, speed matters. Request sealed documents now so postal and processing delays don't stall your evaluation later. Next, send documents following WES's specific instructions. Have institutions mail sealed transcripts directly or use authorized electronic channels. Once mailed, enter tracking into your WES account and upload any allowed digital copies for pre-review. This speeds verification. Pay the fee and choose the exact report type you need, because changing it later adds time and cost. While you wait, monitor your WES dashboard for authentication requests and respond promptly to any institution verification follow-ups to avoid delays. When WES completes verification, review the draft findings and download the final report immediately. This is what employers and schools will see. If any document is rejected, don't panic. Identify the exact reason, contact the issuing institution for a corrected sealed submission, and resubmit using your original reference number. Make sure to save all receipts and correspondence. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, escalate via WES support with tracking numbers and proof of request to the issuing body so they can reinitiate verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.